In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floor in Revit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the floor command, pick the right floor type, place it at the correct level, sketch a clean boundary, take advantage of pick walls for crisp edges, and then finish the floor without errors. Begin by heading to the Architecture tab and choosing Floor. This puts you in floor creation mode and opens the sketch environment. You'll notice the ribbon switches to show drawing tools, and the view displays a magenta outline as you sketch. That's your cue that you're editing the floor boundary. Next, choose a floor type from the type selector at the top of the Properties palette. You can go with a simple generic floor for quick layouts or a detailed multi-layer assembly if you need realistic materials and thicknesses for documentation. Keep in mind that the type you select controls the floor's structure, thickness, and how it appears in sections and schedules, so pick one that matches your design intent. Before drawing, set the height or level where the floor will be placed. Floors are usually drawn on the level you're currently working in, so confirm the level parameter is correct. If needed, adjust the height offset from the level in the Properties palette to nudge the floor up or down without changing the level itself. Getting this right up front saves time and prevents alignment issues later. Now sketch the boundary. You can use lines, rectangles, and arcs, or trace existing geometry. Revit needs a single closed loop, no gaps, overlaps, or self-intersections. If you see warnings, it almost always means there's a break in the loop or two segments are crossing. Take a moment to zoom in at corners to ensure clean snaps. Accuracy here leads to a cleaner model and fewer errors when you finish. For the fastest, cleanest edges, use pick walls. This snaps your floor boundary to the faces of walls, which gives you tight alignment and, best of all, keeps the floor associated with those walls. If the walls move later, the floor boundary updates to follow them. Watch the alignment arrows as you click so the boundary lands on the correct side of the wall, matching your design intent. When your boundary is complete and closed, click the green check mark to finish the sketch. If Revit flags a boundary error, just return to the sketch, fix the offending segment, and finish again. That's it. Your floor is created and ready for further detailing or documentation.